I'm Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how to draw my third Easter themed drawing with the leaf. I'm going to show you how to draw both the chick peep and the bunny peep. It's really simple. So I'm going to start with the chick. Because the last video I did was a bunny, so I'm going to do that one last. He's pretty much oval. Sketch out an oval and then a little circle for his head, and pretty much it's just a blob of marshmallow, so it's kind of an interesting shape. But once you have your oval and circle sketched out, you're going to want to kind of like connect the circle into the oval, because they have like their chest sticks out, and then it comes up like this. So you're going to want to make that kind of shape. And then you're going to want to do the back of the head into the beak, because that part is all connected. It's going to look like that. And then you're going to do the beak. So it's just like a little triangle almost. So the next part you're going to want to give them a little back is the tail, and you kind of extend this line and you go up, and that's pretty much the shape of a peep. And you would give them a little eyeball. Pretty simple, not a lot to it. I don't think there's anything else you can really add to it. It's really what they look like. And then the bunny is really easy. It's two circles, one for the body and one for the head. So pretty much you would just darken that first circle a little bit. I totally recommend tracing something. I usually trace this candle. And again, the head and the body do connect, kind of like this. And then the ears are really easy. I recommend doing like a little V like this, because they're kind of round and they do connect. They stick straight up. It's just this curved ear, and then the other one is the same, and they both connect to the head. And then he has two eyes in the middle, and they're just little circles, and then a little round nose. It's just another little circle. Kind of almost looks like a snowman that happens to be shaped like a rabbit. But yeah, that's pretty much how you draw like the Peep characters. I'm gonna ink and color it next. That's what I recommend doing. You can pretty much make it any color you want, because Peeps come in many flavors and colors. So yeah, you should totally color it when you're done. It's just like a cute little Easter craft almost to do. So I hope you liked it. Subscribe if you want.